Who came early in the morning?
He came with the vegetables, man.
Now he will waste everybody's time.
You do one thing. You tell Swara to attend him.
Okay. Swara, customer is here. Go and attend him. I'll see. Yes, sir. Tell me.
Dear, show me some good jewelry for my wife.
In what range?
Range, whatever it is. I should like it.
Yes. Uncle Ji, it's a real gold shop. What are you thinking? In 300, 400 you'll get a chain. It's an expensive gold shop. Whatever comes, it comes in lakhs here.
I know, dear, that you sell real gold. That is why I've come here.
See, maybe while buying vegetables, you came into wrong shop.
Don't you worry. I have come to the right place. Show me more designs, dear. Come on.
Look at this as well.
Anything else? Hey, this old man doesn't want to take anything. He just come to waste our time.
So what? Just saying show more, show more. Hey uncle, don't you have any other work in the morning? You came here to waste our time?
Why? What happened?
Since how long you're saying shows more, shows more? I think uncle didn't got newspaper. So he thought he will come here to time pass. Why are you talking him like this? I'm showing him things, na? You don't know about him. He comes here for time pass. It's been 2 months of you. And it's been 2 years of us. It's okay. I'm doing my job here. So I have no problem of doing my job. Sir, you tell me, what are you liking?
Dear, I like this design. What is the cost?
Sir, this is 1 lakh.
1 lakh. Okay. Pack this up and send it to my house. I'll pay from my house.
Yes, sir. Tell me your address. 1 minute. Uncle, is this a joke? And Swara, you? He is not going to do any payment. He will give us wrong address and we won't find him there. First of all, do his checking. Is he hiding something or not?
People like this cannot be trusted. We will have to check him. Eh? Why would you check me? Am I a thief or something?
We will right now come to know. What both of you doing this? Sagar, you check him.
Come here. I'll check you. What is happening here? Sir, this man is stealing and taking away. What have he stolen? Sir, when I check him, then we'll come to know that what he has stolen. Is there anything missing from our things?
No, sir. No stuff is missing.
Then how can you say that he is the thief? Sir, looking at his condition, it seems that he must have stolen something. Do you know who is he? Who is he, sir? He is my uncle. Sorry, sir, I didn't know that he was your uncle. Today is his wedding anniversary and he had come to buy something for auntie. And I had told him to go to the shop and whatever you like to buy, we'll see the payment later.
Sorry, sir. He didn't tell that he's your uncle.
If I did not tell you, would you behave like this with any customer? Not every rich man comes wearing suits and boots. Some people always live a simple life. And he is one of this. Sir, we are really sorry, sir. Please forgive us. Sorry. I will fire both of you from here. But, sir. No, let it be, son. Don't fire them from the job. These are kids right now. They don't know how to behave. When the time comes, they will understand everything. That no one should judge anyone by their clothes. But this girl is very nice at your place. She talked with me with a lot of respect. And she attended me really well. Swara, it has been very short time for you. And I have always heard people praising about you. So from today onwards, you are the manager of this shop. And you both, you will report her.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And I want to tell one thing to both of you. That if any customer comes to you, anyone, so you saw the form of God in him, you never know which person can change your life, just like this girl has just changed. Okay, sir. Sorry, we will take care from next time.
Sorry, sir.
Come, uncle, I'll drop you.